Hello friends. Today I will learn with you about connecting batteries in series and parallel circuits. I'm using 4 batteries, has a voltage of 12 volts and 7.5 amp hours. Now, I will check the voltage of the 4 batteries. Battery 1 has a voltage of 11.8 volts. Battery 2 has a voltage of 11.8 volts. Similarly, batteries 3 and 4 also have a voltage of 11.8 volts. Now, I will connect 4 batteries in series. I will connect the positive plus terminal of battery 1 and the negative terminal of battery 2. The positive plus terminal of battery 2 connects to the negative terminal of battery 3. The positive plus terminal of battery 3 connects to the negative terminal of battery 4. Now, I will check the voltage between the negative terminal of battery 1 and the plus terminal of battery 4. Wow, so the battery voltage is increased to 47.4 volts. So when we connect in series, the battery voltage will increase. U equals U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4. And I equals I1 equals I2 equals I3 equals I4. Now, we will remove the connecting wire. Now, we will connect the batteries together in parallel. I will use the black wire to connect the negative terminal of battery 1 to the negative terminals of batteries 2 and 3 and 4. I will use the red wire to connect the positive plus terminal of battery 1 to the positive plus terminal of batteries 2 and 3 and 4. Now, we will check the battery voltage when connected in parallel. Wow, so its voltage remains unchanged. Battery voltage when connected in parallel is 11.8 volts. When batteries are connected in parallel, U equals U1 equals U1 equals 2 equals U3 equals U4. I equals I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. Thank you for watching the video. Click like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to receive notifications when there are new videos.